Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be swatching the Too Faced Pretty Rich Diamond Light eyeshadow palette. The packaging is a very good quality cardboard and it's inspired by a diamond shape. It is a bit bulky, but I honestly don't mind it because it's a very pretty packaging. The palette has a magnetic closure and it includes a good quality mirror as well. So the palette has 16 shades that includes glitters, mattes, and shimmers. The names of the eyeshadows are printed under each eyeshadow inside the palette. It retails for $49 and I believe it will be added to the permanent line. I wasn't able to find anything that stated that it was limited edition. Out of the 16 eyeshadows, 4 are pressed glitters, 4 are mattes, and 8 are shimmers. This is my first time purchasing a palette from Too Faced that includes pressed glitters. The formula of the glitters is very opaque and I wasn't able to feel any type of gel that is in the formula. It says on the back of the box that they recommend using a glitter glue. I didn't test them with one and the glitter stayed on. Once it dried, the glitter didn't move. I used my finger to apply them and I work in small areas for a better payoff. When I did use a brush, I noticed that the glitter applied uneven and flat looking. The shimmers were very pigmented and creamy except for Silver Spoon and Set the Jewel Tone, which are a bit on the dry side, but they still managed to be pigmented. All of the mattes were pigmented. I didn't have any issues with any of them. They all blended smoothly. I didn't experience any kick up or fallout. So overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. I love the packaging and detail that this palette has. I like that even though it only has 4 mattes, the mattes that were chosen to put in this palette actually work as transition or to deepen a look or for a smoky eye. If you don't like glitter, I definitely would skip this palette since it does have 4 pressed glitters and 8 shimmers, so it's definitely a shimmery palette. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.